So, all set for the semi-final match between Mohun Bagan and Downtown Heroes to be played at Salt Lake Stadium today. In their Group A League match, Mohun Bagan beat Downtown Heroes from Srinagar by 1-0, and the goal was scored by Sohail Bhatt. He was the man of the match in that first match of Mohun Bagan Super Giant, and then Mohun Bagan played against Indian Air Force and they beat Indian Air Force by 6-0. Yes, and the goal scorers were Cummings, Aldred, Liston Colasso, Anirudh Thapa. Jason Cummings scored the second goal also, and Stewart. So Mohun Bagan beat Indian Air Force by 6-0, and Jason Cummings scored 2 goals and was given the man of the match award. The match between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal was to be played on 18th August, but it was cancelled due to the protest going on in Kolkata against this rape victim. So, as for the RG Kar, you know very well that RG Kar is the place where our first captain, Dr. T. Yao, he was a student of RG Kar Medical College and he was a doctor. He was the captain of 1948, that team, Olympics football team, and he was a student of RG Kar Medical College. Then that match was cancelled, and for Bengaluru FC won all the 3 matches in the Group B match, and they beat Indian Navy by 4-0. Rahul Bhike scored the goal. Sunil Khetri scored from penalty. Diaz scored 2 goals, and Rahul Bhike was the man of the match. In the next match, Bengaluru FC beat Inter Kashi by 3-0, and the goal scorer were Edgar Ripoli and Sunil Khetri. So Sunil Khetri's second goal of the tournament in the Durand Cup, and in the next match they played against Mohammedan Sporting, where they beat Mohammedan Sporting by 3-2, and the goal scorer were Jovanovic, Deepu and Vinit. Deepu scored the goal, and it was Israfil who reduced the margin in the 77th minute, and Mohitos also reduced the margin, but all was done as Bengaluru beat Mohammedan Sporting by 3-2, and the man of the match was Venkatesh of Bengaluru FC. So, as for the knockout stage, so Mohun Bagan and this Bengaluru, they qualified for the next stage, that is the quarter-final stage, and in the quarter-final, Mohun Bagan drew with Punjab FC 3-3 at Jamshedpur, and as all you know, goals for Mohun Bagan was scored by Sohail, Manveer and Jason Cummings. At that point, Punjab was leading by 3-2, scored by Machen, Mirzajak and Vidal, but Cummings equalized in the 79th minute, and the match went into penalties, where Cummings missed the first penalty, but Manveer, Liston, Petratos, Stewart and Subhashit along with Aldred, they scored in the penalties, whereas for Punjab, Vinit, Vidal, Bakinga and Philip could score, whereas the 5th penalty was wasted by Novoselic, and then Melroy scored, then Dinesh Chandra, he missed the penalty. So Mohun Bagan in the sudden death won by 6-5 after 3-3 draw at Jamshedpur and moved into the semi-final, where they will take on Bengaluru in the second semi-final. As all you know, in the first semi-final, the Northeast Derby, Northeast beat Shillong Lajong by 3-0, and the goal scorer is Thoi Singh, Aljawi and Parthit. Mohun Bagan squad: Vishal, Thomas, Alberto, Dipendu, Ashish, Deepak, Sahal, Liston, Abhishek, Kurik, Sohail, Anirudh Thapa, Patratos, Manveer, Subhashish, Arsanwar Sheikh, Jason Cummings, Amandeep, Lalring Moya, Ralte, Saurav Bhanwala, Ravi Bahadur Rana. Coach is Jose Francisco Molina Jimenez. And now the Bengaluru team, which beat Kerala Blasters in the injury time, winner scored by Pereira Diaz, the Argentinian. So Bengaluru team, now let's go through it. Bengaluru, who beat Kerala Blasters by the injury time goal, the winner scored by Pereira Diaz. Now let's go through the Bengaluru team, which would be playing the second semi-final against Mohun Bagan Supergiant. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, Rahul BK, Tinglan Sana, Jovanovic, Dale Williams, Suresh Wangjam, Alberto Ripoli, Sunil Chetri, Mohammad Salah, Edgar Ortega, Pedro Capo, Halicharan Narzari, Rohit Danu, Namgyal Bhutia, Nikhil Pujari, Lal Chwan Munya Ralte, Jorge Diaz, that Pereira Diaz who scored the goal against Kerala Blasters in the injury time, which put Bengaluru in the semi-final, where they will take on Mohun Bagan Supergiant today. Vinit Venkatesh, Norem Roshan Singh, Salam Johnson Singh, Shiva Shakti, Clarence Fernandez, that's Xavier Fernandez, Lalrem Luanga, Shreyas Ketkar, Harsh Shailesh Patre, Chingambam Shivaldo Singh and Ashik Adhikari. This is the Bengaluru side, which will take on the team which is in green here at the Mohun Bagan ground, the green and maroon brigade. They are all set to take on Bengaluru at their home turf, that is Salt Lake Stadium, which would witness the ISL tournament also, where Mohun Bagan will take on their opening match in the ISL. So all set for the second semi-final match.